Hey there, everyone. It has been a few days since I last recorded. The last several days have been nothing but rain, and I just haven't been able to do much or go outside or, take care of anything really because we've just kind of been stuck inside of the cottage. And I haven't had much to film, unfortunately, because those days would have been really boring. School was canceled for the kids on the last day because of Helene. Luckily, we didn't get anything up here except for maybe just lots of rain. You can probably hear it in the video right now, and some winds. And the rain actually started before Helene even hit. So it's been raining nonstop, just nonstop, and it is a crazy muddy mess. And right now I'm still in my PJs, and it's like the afternoon because I have not been able to go outside, go to the camper and get myself some clothes so I can change yet. I'm hoping it will die down soon, but I'm not sure. The kids are just hanging out. They have all their clothes and stuff ready for them, or in here. I still have to iron them, get them ready for tomorrow. Let's see. Baby's asleep right now, so in order for us not to go out or get anything, I do need bread. But I'm just going to go ahead and get some dough ready for it to rise over a few hours, and then I'll bake a loaf so that we have, bread for tomorrow for breakfast and everything, just because we don't need to be going out in this constant weather. And Nelson's actually right now in the house trying to get a few things taken care of. He bought a laser a couple of days ago. No, yesterday, actually. He picked it up yesterday. And so he had it charging. And so today he's working on placing some lights or light boxes throughout the house so that we can get all of the electrical done within the next 2 weeks. It has to get done because our drywall guy is ready to go and we still have to insulate after he's done with the electrical. So unfortunately, because he's been traveling, he hasn't been able to do as much as possible. And now with the rain, it's been really hard for him to get over there and work. And it's just nonstop. So I'll try and see, share what's going to happen today and kind of what we're up to as best I can. Simply, it's just a rainy day and I can't get out much. So I was able to change, and Nelson and I went to the house for a little bit so we can do some filming. We had to do another update for the farmhouse build. We had filmed quite a bit of them back to back a long time ago, it seems like, a few weeks ago. And I've been, putting them out on a weekly basis. And now we were up. We had to do some more updates. So we had to sit down and we had to go over another video. So I came back afterwards and I was able to edit most of it. But because of the rain, I had to take a couple of final shots for it. So I'll do that first thing in the morning. Hopefully there's no rain tomorrow. It's not supposed to be any rain. So fingers crossed. I can take those shots and I can upload it for tomorrow. And then let's see. After that, I messed with the dough. It's a little bit denser, this recipe that I'm trying today. It had risen a bit, but then when I did my stretch and pulls, I just felt it kind of dense. So we'll see how it, comes up this time. I'm not sure. It's the first time I'm trying this specific recipe. The kids are taking turns taking showers. They've got to get ready for school tomorrow. And I did one thing for the house. I have been wanting to add a different kind of lighting throughout. I've been very particular about how I'm going to add light to the home. And I think we have a lot of lighting, but I want to make sure that my lighting has character and it's pretty unique. And so this time around, I'm going to be adding like sconces throughout several areas of the house. And so I ordered, it was like a little bit of a splurge to me because it's from Ballard Designs. I have loved these sconces ever since they came out, and I noticed that they were on sale when I was just kind of looking for inspiration on, what I can pick for the house. And so I think they only had 15 left when I ordered. So I had to order. And they ended up being $79 a piece. But this is what I'm talking about. So I absolutely love this catalog. I get a lot of inspiration from them, and I have even done a lot of Look for Less videos inspired by Ballard Designs. Of course, it's a very pricey online store, so I don't really buy from them. However, I have loved these sconces ever since they came out, and they have one that's not painted. It's more of a natural wood. This one's called the Peyton, and it's usually this price with like the shade. Now there's a option to buy it without the shade, because the shades on their website are like anywhere between $30 and $36 a piece. But I found similar ones on Amazon for like $16 for a pair. So I ended up getting 2 of these, and they're in the natural shade, and they were only $79. So I'm so excited about it, especially since they only had a very limited number left. Like they're, I guess, getting rid of them. So just in time. I have been seeing these forever, and I've loved them ever since they came out, and now I get to have my own pair in my house. So that was a little bit of a splurge for me, because you can find sconces for much cheaper. But I figured, having 2 of these that I really, really love in the house, and the fact that they're no longer going to make them, it seems like, so I get to have something special in my home. So yeah, that was really exciting that I got to, order those, and I can't wait till they get here. I think they said that it ships in about a week. So it'll be a few days before I can share them when they come in, and hopefully I can do that, on one of these vlogs. Now I am going to clean up and just start preparing for the next day. Nelson actually went out and got us some Subway, so we didn't have to cook anything today, and just kind of, get some things wrapped up and finished up, because I've got several things going on this week. And the baby just woke up, so she's playing with one of my daughters. Yeah. And so hopefully get this loaf in. That way tomorrow morning we have nice bread ready for us to eat. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, so now it's time to put the kids down to bed. We're all gonna just wind down and relax. I am gonna take a shower, wash my hair, get ready for tomorrow. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow, so hopefully I can get them all done. So that means that we have to get to bed at a decent time tonight and wake up early and get started. So I will see you back here very soon. Bye-bye.